Welcome back. Well, this is the kind of chaos currently taking place at the Vibhyor International School. As you can see, 200 to 300 parents there, all of them trying to burst through those school gates to get inside. We also understand that as of now, they're still waiting for the school management to come and speak to them. They've given them a deadline. They expect them to come out there and speak to them.
Yeah.
Well, these are live visuals from outside the school where the parents continue to wait patiently for the management to come out. Remember, Rustam Kerwala is present there, but he has refused to come out and speak to them. The parents state that he is given about 10 minutes to come out, after which, of course, the school management will have to face the kind of dire consequences that they are planning. Things are only taking an ugly turn at this point. It's become violent as of now, and of course, we are awaiting Rustam to come out there and speak. And well, it looks like the parents are continuing to call for peace. They're trying to ensure that things
some people are there.
calm.
Ask them to leave. No drivers and anybody. Okay, almost they should leave. I saw some guys broke the glass. Some guys actually broke the gate. Okay.
Hello.
And I don't want that to be an excuse for him to leave. Okay, all of us.
He will come within 5 minutes. Please assure peace. We are the peace lovers. Are you the peace lovers or not? Yes. Then
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ ಬ್ರೋ
we have brought
ಕ್ಯಾಮೆರಾ
in
ಎಲ್ಲ
here.
ಟ್ರೈಪಾಡ್
We
ಲಿಗೆ
also
ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ ನೀನು
please go up and
ಕ್ಯಾಮೆರಾ
down.
ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಟ್ರೈಪಾಡ್ ಲಿಗೆ ಇಡ್ತೀನಿ
Okay, be there. Okay.
Hello?
Hey, close the door. Security people, close the door. Close the gate. Security people,
ವಾಟ್
close the gate.
ಯಾ ನೋ
Only here, it is a parents meeting, school parents meeting. Another parents, anybody else here, please go out.
Police, you should protect us from this.
Cooperate with the police. Cooperate with the police. Land order.
ಏ ಈಗಾಗಲ್ಲ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ
Right. No, be there only. Cooperate with the police.
ಓಕೆ ಹಲೋ
Down. Please, dear parents.
ಹಲೋ
Please, dear
ಟ್ರೈಪಾಡ್ ಹಾಕಿ ನೋಡ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಂದೆ
ಯಾರವರು ಕರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಆ ಕಡೆ
Hello,
We are the parent of our child in the school. As per whatever we are the pledge, anyone who is going to take the safety measure, he will talk. He is here to address us. You have to keep your nerve cool. He is here to address us. Okay, please, dear parents.
hello. Hey, hello. Hello, sir. Sir, police sir.
Good afternoon, everybody.
Mic ऊपर डाल, आगे डाल. जा.
Hello. Okay. Firstly,
Mic ऊपर डाल. Sir. Side हो.
Firstly, my humble apologies for the situation, for the unfortunate situation.
Please.
Okay.
The situation that we have in hand is indeed unfortunate. I want to communicate to the parents that I am with you on this, and whoever is found guilty has to be hanged. We are here. We are here. We have given all the cooperation, all the details, all the CCTV footage, made all the staff available to the authorities. They have been here for the last 3 days. They have done a commendable job on that, and I'm sure that they will arrive at the conclusion. And whatever the conclusion they arrive at, the law will do its work. And as far as I am concerned personally, if anybody found guilty, let the person be hanged. I am very clear on that. As far as certain additional security measures that certain parents have expressed, in fact, I was addressing them, a small group of them, about 10-15 of them. I would like to continue that. From our side, we have left no stone unturned. We understand that there is always space for improvement, and we are open for suggestions. Even as of yesterday, there were certain suggestions, there were certain more suggestions that were being discussed right now. And we have agreed to whatever has been, unfortunately, that meeting could not be concluded because of this situation. But I assure you that safety is paramount, and we should have the patience to await the conclusion that the authorities come with.
There are more people who have been suspected of being thrown out of other schools.
Let him to finish first.
Sir. Sir, one second. Sir, it is not possible. Sir. Okay. Sir, it is individually not possible to address one-on-one grievance in this forum. If a few group of you, if a small group can be appointed from amongst you, I would be happy. I would be happy to sit with them with all the points. In fact, that's what we were doing. I am happy to continue doing that with all the inputs. We will provide you with an email ID, and we will revert to each one of you with whatever the queries that are there. Sorry? Sorry? I am not able to. We are doing that with a small group of people. No, I'm sorry, that may not be possible. Thank you.
Mr. Rustom, on behalf of the parents, I'm telling you, you cannot straight away tell it's not possible. One thing, kindly, I'm telling you, from today, kindly organize one-to-one parent meet with the management. We want to meet, we want to give complete expression. That is one factor. Or otherwise,
I have no issues with that.
Or otherwise, en masse, there are 20 points which has been noted. You have to answer all the 20 points.
Yes, definitely all those points.
All those 20 points, whatever been, yes.
Yes, they will be communicated.
So what are the new reforms going to be?
And on the security front, every parent is concerned about the child security, child safety.
I understand that, sir.
Should we send the kids to school?
Mother is asking, can we send the
Should we send the kids to school tomorrow?
To the school tomorrow.
Yes, I see no problem.
No, sir. The people are not convinced with the answer.
All the required security will be there. The school will function normal from tomorrow.
So asking, will you be there?
This is your school. This is your school. I am here. This is your school. I am here. I am here to ensure that all safety is there. Safety is paramount. It will be taken care of.
Okay, people are really concerned about the SPA activities.
Have you met the parents? Have you met the parents of the victims? Yes, have you met the parents?
As far as the SPA activities are concerned, or any activities of the school are concerned, with additional security, everything will go on as normal. Yes, I am personally there. Yes, I am personally there.
What are the actions being taken? So far.
All cooperation is being given to the authorities, and the guilty will have to be punished, and all our cooperation is there towards that. In spite of today being a holiday, we have ensured that the staff are there to assist the inquiry.
Sir, have you met the victims' parents? Have you met them? Have you met the victims' parents? Why are you avoiding the questions?
Sorry,
Have you met the victims' parents?
I can't hear.
Have you met the victims' parents?
No, I have not met the victims' parents. I will be meeting them.
Right, and we heard that there were talks that the incident didn't take place in the school. How do you confirm that?
I am not saying anything at this point of time. I am waiting for the final conclusion from the authorities. Investigation is on.
Now the people who have been accused,
I assure
what position were they holding in your school? What position were they holding in your school?
whomsoever they are with the police, they are within custody, they are with the authorities,
What position were they holding in the
and we will give all the support to that.
What position were they holding?
Sir, as far as additional security measures, yes, there is additional security, there is additional CCTV that has been discussed and agreed on. A special care will be taken for all these situations.
So the question asked by the parents is, if you henceforth recruit anybody, will you do a background check?
Yes, all background checks for all staff will be done, verification will be done. It is happening right now. It is happening right now, and it will be done more diligently.
People are being questioned now. What position were they holding in your school? What
Rustomji, I want to know what are the measures on security that is going to be different from tomorrow so that we can send our children. What are the going to be different from tomorrow? Please tell us.
As has been discussed in the meeting, which has been incomplete, which I am yet to complete, but what we've already agreed on is additional security, additional CCTVs, special care, additional staff to ensure that they are monitored.
Are you confirming that this incident has happened in the school?
No,
Are you confirming that?
the investigation is on.
Sir, why did you take so much time to respond? Why did you take? School is involved somewhere in the case. Why did you take so much time to respond? School is involved. Sir, why management is involved?